Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now with that said trackies, there's a championship every direction I turn. So I have great news for y'all. The Pan American Under 20 Track and Field Championships is currently ongoing and so far so good. Great news to announce. Alana Reid continues her winning ways. Yes, she walks away with the win in the women's Under 20 100 meters, running 11.33 seconds. Behind her was Kayla Jackson from the United States running 11.41 seconds, and Cameron Dixon also from the United States running 11.48 seconds for third place, the bronze medal. Now in seventh place was Ashira Hewlett from Jamaica. She ran 11.88 seconds to represent her country. Now moving on to the men's 100 meters, we have great news there as well. And of course, I mean the under 20 men, right? We had Nkrumie and Javon Newby, representing Team Jamaica. And Nkrumie walked away with the silver medal. Taking the win was Tyler Ascano, running 10.26 seconds. And of course, Nkrumie in second place ran 10.31 seconds for the silver medal. And Adrian Canales Correa from Puerto Rico ran 10.35 seconds for the bronze medal. Now in fifth place, representing his country to the best of his ability, was Javon Newby. He ran 10.50 seconds. Now Chuck is continuing with the Ed Murphy Classics. We have more great news to report there as well. Natalliah White walks away with the win in the women's 200 meters. Now she ran a time of 22.76 seconds to take the win. Talitha Diggs was second from the United States, running 22.83 seconds, and Favor Ofili was third from Nigeria, running 22.94 seconds. Now this sets up Natalliah nicely heading off to Budapest. As you know, she represents Team Jamaica in the individual event, the 200 meters at the championships, and of course we wish her all the best, and this is a great solid run leading into the championships for her. Now we also had some representation in the 200 meters for the men at the Ed Murphy Classic. Now we had Andrew Hudson and of course Rashid Dwyer line up here. Taking the win though was Andre DeGrasse from Canada, running 20.19 seconds. In second place was Kyrie King, running 20.45 seconds, and Andrew Hudson was third, running 20.51 seconds, and Rashid Dwyer was fourth, running 20.69 seconds. Now off the back of this run, clearly there's a lot more work for Andrew Hudson to do heading into the championships, but again we can only go up from here, so I'm looking forward to see what he'll be able to do come the World Championships, and of course we're supporting him, of course, 100% as well. Now also in the men's 110 meter hurdles, we had Dejour Russell line up here. Now this was the men's 110 meter hurdles open. Now there were multiple events here on show, so in this particular segment Dejour Russell lined up and he placed second in this field. Now taking the win was Michael Dixon, running 13.37 seconds, and Dejour Russell was second, running 13.47 seconds. Dylan Beard from the United States placed third, running 13.60 seconds. Now moving over to the men's 100 meter open finals. Now again we had multiple events on show, multiple of the same event on show. Now in this men's 100 meters we did have Jamaican lineup Michael Stevens. Now he was able to place second in this field. Now taking the win was Amir Webb, running 10.17 seconds. Michael Stevens was second, running 10.28 seconds, and Demario Smith was third, running 10.31 seconds. Now moving on to the women's 400 meter dash, and this was the pro race. We had Candice McLeod line up here for Jamaica. Now taking the win was Alexis Holmes from the United States, running 50.32 seconds. Behind her was Victoria Onorugu from England, running 50.50 seconds. And in third place was Mackenzie Dunmore from the United States, running 51.13 seconds. Candice McLeod finished fifth, running 51.71 seconds. Now moving on to the men's 800 meters, we did have Rajay Hamilton line up here, and he finished second. Now taking the win was Fetus Lagat from Kenya. He ran 1 minute 46.58 seconds. Rajay Hamilton was second, running 1 minute 46.72 seconds, and in third was Abe Alvarado from the United States, running 1 minute 46.82 seconds. Now moving over to the women's 100-meter dash, and this was the invitational B race. Again, multiple 100 meters were on show for the women. In this section, we had Ashanti Moore line up here, as well as Natalliah White and Ramona Burchell. Now, Ashanti Moore walked away with the win, running 11.18 seconds. Mia McCoy was second from the United States, running 11.24 seconds. And Natalliah White, off the back of her win in the 200 meters, was third, running 11.26 seconds. Now, Ramona Burchell placed seventh, running 11.41 seconds. Now, moving on to the final event here that we had Jamaican representation in, the men's 100-meter dash invitational B race. Now in this race we did have Taekwondo Tracy line up here. However, taking the win was Emmanuel Matadi from Liberia, running 10 seconds flat. In second place was Recoy Brathwaite from the British Virgin Islands, running 10.09 seconds, and in third place was Emmanuel Archibald from Guyana, running 10.14 seconds. Taekwondo Tracy finished fifth, running 10.21 seconds. Anyway, trackies, sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. What do you make of our under 20 Pan American team so far, landing us gold and silver? Boaji Nkrumie coming up with silver, and of course Alana Reid continuing her magnificent run, snatching another gold medal for herself. Now, Chuck, is also, what do you make of our seniors? Their final tune-up race before the last 2 weeks, where they get to work on any potential issues heading into the World Championships. What do you make of these runs heading into Budapest? Sound off in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.